How to remove labels from Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your desktop browser. While this works on mobile, desktop gives you the best control over map styles. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Your Places, Maps. From there, click Create Map at the bottom. In the Custom Map Editor, click the Base Map menu. Here, you can select styles like light terrain, satellite, or simple light. Some options remove most or all labels right away. If you still see labels, you can switch to Google Earth Web and toggle off labels from the map style settings. This removes place names, street names, and points of interest completely. Finally, save your custom map and use it for screenshots, embedding in websites, or trip planning. You now have a clear, distraction-free Google Maps view. And that's how to remove labels from Google Maps. Thanks for watching.